Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to log into your CoinZoom account on your Android device. Ensure that you have CoinZoom app installed in your device. If you haven't already, you can download it from Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. When you are inside the CoinZoom app, tap on Continue. Now tap on Sign In to log in. If you haven't created an account yet, then watch our video on how to sign up and create an account. After tapping Sign In, you will see this window. Now you will need to provide your email and your password to log in. Enter them correctly and tap on Sign In. After that, you will need to enter your 4-digit PIN that you have created during creating your account. Alternatively, you can use your biometric informations such as fingerprint or face unlock if you have set it in your phone. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in to your CoinZoom account. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Basics for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.